Right now, we're seeing a notable spike in sports sentiment, with a score of plus 0.20, indicating a fresh wave of positivity that's not just a blip. It's backed by 15 distinct semantic clusters. This sentiment is currently at a higher level than what we've tracked historically, suggesting that fans are particularly energized, likely due to a major event or performance. With our API, you get access to this sentiment score and the contextual data behind it in real time. Imagine using this in your application to drive fan engagement, tailoring content, or promotions based on this heightened sentiment. If you're ready to leverage this insight, check out our documentation at pulsebit.lojenterprise.com/docs. Let's build something impactful together.